This is Mitsubishi Pajero 2007. This got accident and here I got the bent card, so we need to repair. First I will open this back light, then I will try to insert some rod from here and push it so it will come back. After that we'll go for painting and repairing. For this one I will open the back door, lock it, and here is the screw 1 and 2. Remove the brake light, reverse light. Now I will open it. So this 2 screw I will first do this one. After that you can remove the reverse light. Second this one. Removed. No. So you will open. Screw already removed, and this you will pull. See, here is 2 locks, one here and one here. And this lock, this pin was there.